More boxes today. This one is from Birmingham, Michigan, and Houston, Texas, and Candyville, West Virginia. I think it's, I don't know. This is from North Carolina. I cover everything. Anyways, let's begin with the small box. Too big for this anyways. Alright, lumber wagon, another wagon. I think it's James Tender. Red box car. We got Spencer. Oh, really bad condition. Charlie, Trackmaster Revolutions or Trackmaster 2. And here is Percy, 09 Mattel. And Hero, Trackmaster 2, Henry, 09, there's Henry. We got Emily, Trackmaster 2, and look at this, good for a restoration, yeah, definitely. Talking Edward, I think it's 2010, yeah, 2013 Mattel. This means in the side rolls, and yeah, this will be a good restoration. Forgot about this. This is Edward from Glow in the Dark Edward, yeah, good. And a couple more cards. This next box. Excellent landing. Okay. First, a remote control Thomas. Remote control. Oh, look at this. Abandoned train. Okay, remote control James, RC James, and Edward. Can you see that? Okay, Edward from Heater Company. Good for restoration. Here's a red car. And yeah, I know this is from Flora's caboose. Green caboose for, if I don't mistake, it's for green caboose for Billy. And we have another black caboose. This is Neville Stender. Ferdinand. Excellent. What's this? Oh, Douglas Tender. This is dated 2007, Hittite Company. What else? Bash. Diesel 10. Looking good. And here's Donald. (2007). One more. Bert. Right there. Bert. I need a wash. Clean. Really clean. Rusty. There's Rusty. And that's it for that box. Next box. Another perfect landing. Okay. What do we have here? I'm gonna put it apart. Aha. Here is a bunch of trains. Thomas, Trackmaster 2. Okay. Another Thomas, Trackmaster 2. James Tender. Ice Cream Factory boxcar. And this is Spencer's Tender Take and Play. Okay. A green boxcar. Look at this, Ryan. Take and Play, metal. Oh, Heroes Tender. This is good for my other box. I mean, I got Hero in another package. Good, and we have another Thomas. Ooh.
Coming through!
Excellent. Okay, another wagon. This is plastic Thomas. It's not take and play, neither Trackmaster. It has a wide wheels. Okay, Toby, Trackmaster 2. One more Thomas. Percy, talking Percy. I gotta check the batteries in a minute. Another Ice Cream Factory boxcar. Gordon, Trackmaster 2. Take and Play. Oh, this is push along or take, I don't know. Henry. Ooh, Hero. I mean, sorry, Diesel. Talking Diesel. Trackmaster 2. Needs batteries. No more. Another Thomas. Trackmaster 2. And this is talking James. Excellent. Okay.
I'm on my way.
Another talking Thomas is not moving. Henry's Tender, Trackmaster 2. And look at this. Nice, glow in the dark Thomas. Cool. And what's this? Is this a remote control? I have no idea. It has a switch. It's not moving. I have no idea about Trackmaster 2. I prefer the Trackmaster 1. And Jerome, is it Jerome? I think it's Jerome. Yeah, Jerome right there. It's missing the hook or whatever goes here, the attachment. And lastly, Ryan. Yeah. Okay, let's see if they work.